Hello everyone, welcome to NTD episode. Today I help you how to change customize sockets, how to edit customize socket, how to modify customize socket in AutoCAD. Okay, very easy. I have a two-way help you modify customize socket. Okay, so let's start. The first way you can access menus on the toolbar, and then you select edit aliases. Click here and select here edit alias. Okay, so against file open, you select sockets command. You would like edit, for example, copy, and edit one, okay. So and then click here, set and close. So you run it, okay, run it. You tick here, okay, and then okay. So activate copies customize sockets. One, okay, copy. Very easy. The second way you can alias edit. Okay, so wait a minute. AutoCAD alias edit dialog open. You lose copies one. Select. I want to edit socket copy. Edit one into two. Okay, select edit, click edit two. Okay, so you delete or remove our customize. Okay, remove, yes. This socket copy edit two. So and then click apply, yes, okay. So activate copy two. Okay, copy. Very easy. So summarize, I have a two-way change, edit, modify, customize sockets in AutoCAD. Okay, very easy. So this video to the end here. So please subscribe, like, share this video to everyone. Thank you so much.